Welcome to Owen Allen Media. Drake brought out Vybz Kartel at his Wireless Festival performance, right? This is right after Vybz Kartel delivered a spectacular, phenomenal performance, right? Vybz Kartel did his set, his 30-minute set, and it was amazing. In my opinion, Vybz Kartel best performance ever, right? Vybz Kartel performed all of his songs. Vybz Kartel voice was just so rich, and the interaction with the crowd, performing hits after hits after hits, the reception from the crowd, everything was just spectacular. And I want you guys to definitely check it out and leave your thoughts in the comment section, you know, about what you think about Vybz Kartel performance, and also Drake and Vybz Kartel linking up.
Oh shit.
Yeah, hey, I'm here. Yes, listen. Make some fucking noise for I got it all. I never thought I'd get the chance to play a tune after you play a tune. So if you don't mind if I can run a tune and just have the world on stage, I'll be like, run it! Run it then.
Run it!
You used to call me on my... Say no one.
I knew that Drake and Vybz Kartel would have linked up, because Drake did not link up with Vybz Kartel when Vybz Kartel came out, and Vybz Kartel was also in the US. Vybz Kartel did not link up with Drake. We did not see any interaction between any of them to give we a hint that they would link up. But then I thought to myself and be like, all right, them a wait on a big moment, right? And after we find out that Vybz Kartel was booked for the Wireless show from last year, and then Drake was headlining the show, what better moment and time to do a link up than on the biggest stage? So that's what they did, and that's what you guys are witnessing right now, right? And Drake even sent Vybz Kartel, you know, a custom OVO chain when Vybz Kartel sold out the Barclays Center. You know what I mean? His way of showing his appreciation, to know that I see you and everything, but the link up will take place at Wireless Festival. As I said, you know, we're witnessing it right now. And another thing that was interesting to me is that Vybz Kartel was singing Fever with Drake while on stage, and that was just the most brilliant move from his management team, from his team, from Vybz Kartel, because I never heard Vybz Kartel performing Fever, right? So Vybz Kartel knew that he would have linked up with Drake, and he knew that Fever already sold gold, right? Sold gold in the US, sold silver in the UK, and what better moment to deliver a big song like that, Fever? But with Drake, you're supposed to sing your biggest hits, right, with Drake. So now we know Fever already have 123 million streams on Spotify and counting, right? Just the other day, Fever hit 100 million. Now Fever have 23 more million streams on Spotify. And right now, between now and talking and tomorrow or whatever, all of these new fans that have never heard of Vybz Kartel, that don't know Vybz Kartel, 50,000 fans, right? That Vybz Kartel is now introducing himself to, will be checking out Vybz Kartel music. At least 2 of his songs, 3 of his songs, they must like it, and they must was like, yo, this performance was really good. Like, who is this artist? I've never heard of him before. He did some really good song, wasn't understanding much of the words or whatever the case is, but I definitely enjoyed the performance, and it was a great performance. So definitely Vybz Kartel is already gaining. You will see you will see these songs already, you know, running up the charts on iTunes, reggae, 100 iTunes songs, running up the views on the streams, running up the monthly listeners on Spotify, and all of these things. And I mean, this is what we are to expect when you have a big artist coming, being exposed to to thousands of fans who have never heard or seen him before, and getting that reception from the crowd. Because personally, if me go to a show, say me go to a Drake show, and all of a sudden everybody in the stadium are sing this one person's song, and everybody are sing along, and them a sing, and them I give the people them the mic, and everybody are sing the song. Like I am going to be curious. I'm going to be like who is this artist, especially if me like the song or like the performance and everything. Me go check out the artist. So now we know Vybz Kartel. I got have all of these fans and all of these everything just going up, because again, remember, Vybz Kartel right now is one of the artists that his music and his catalog is so big and his hits are so big that they continue to break records. Just the other day, Summertime sold silver, right? And that one of Vybz Kartel, or you could say Vybz Kartel's second biggest song. Well, that's debatable. Fever, Ramping Shop, Clarks, Summertime. Clarks would probably be. Clarks and Ramping Shop, I don't even know which one to choose. But when I say Clarks is more commercial, and it's more, for the radio airwaves and stuff like that. So definitely more people will be listening to that, and it can play in more spaces, rather than Ramping Shop that can only be played at certain spaces, and it cannot be played on the radio and stuff like that. And if it play in certain open spaces, they have to bleep it out, and nobody don't want to listen to beep music that are being bleeped out every second, every minute. So great look for Vybz Kartel, great look for dancehall. Vybz Kartel left with dancehall in him hand and came back with dancehall in him hand just the same. Like him leave it to them for 13 years. For them do something. Just try to do something. Just exalt yourself. Didn't happen. And now it not happen. Like, we still look for see who are going to do it. We still look for see who can do it. And them could do it. Right? And Vybz Kartel come and show us, this is how it's been done. This is how it's supposed to be. And him have dancehall on him back right now. And I'm looking forward to more great things from the artist. So big up Vybz Kartel every time, and love the performance, love everything. Again, leave your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about the performance, about everything, because Vybz Kartel is just the man right now, and he's the man that we're looking to take dancehall to that level, and he's currently doing that. You see me? Because Vybz Kartel is one of those artists that when he does certain things, it's propped up the real way, and it's not overhype or anything like that. He gets the full and maximum respect and hype that it deserves, and him utilize it, and him grasp it, and him really take advantage of that. And that is what he's doing right now. That is what he's doing for Jamaica. That is what he's doing for dancehall. That is what he's doing for many other dancehall artists, opening up the door. So big up Shensi, Skillibeng, who do it, Popcorn Massacre on the international scene, because Popcorn Massacre, Spice, Vybz Kartel represent for Jamaica, represent for dancehall on the big stage. So, that is it. Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.